This dish is inspired by my dad's braised lamb chops. For the marinade, you'll combine some plain yogurt, some lemon juice. You'll also need some fresh mint leaves, some pepper and some salt, some ginger and garlic paste, and the ground spices are Dhania Jeera powder and some masala. Add a dash of water and bring the paste together, and then you can start by adding the paste to the lamb chops and covering the lamb chops with the marinade and marinate for a couple hours. In a heated pan, you'll add in whole spices and you'll allow them to sizzle until they release their fragrant aromas, and then you can add in some oil and gently place the marinated chops. Sear them on both sides until they are nice and brown. You can top with some fresh thyme, some sliced onions, lots of it, some curry leaves, and you're going to give that a nice mix until it's well incorporated. Then you can add in your potato wedges and let that cook for a couple minutes. Add in half a diced tomato, and you want to let everything cook until it looks something like this. Garnish with some fresh coriander and